the biofilm dissolution protocol. These fibers don't just sit in the tissue, they protect themselves with a biofilm, a slimy, metallic shielded layer the bacteria and nanotech hide under. The fact, standard soap doesn't touch biofilms. The Detox use interfacial tension reducers, like specific enzymes or NAC, N-acetylcysteine. To get the fibers out, you have to melt the glue they hide in. We're going after the protective coating today. Chelating the hardware, the heavy metal pull. Since these fibers are often metallic-based, aluminum, barium, strontium, or carbon-based, graphene, they are heavy. The fact, heavy metals act as the batteries for the fibers. The Detox, zeolite, or modified citrus pectin. These acts like microscopic cages that grab onto the metallic particulates in the gut and blood and pull them out before they can settle in the skin. If the fibers are the shuttles, heavy metals are the fuel. We're draining the tank today. The EMF shielding and grounding, signal interference. Transistors respond to frequencies. The fact, high EMF, Wi-Fi, 5G, Bluetooth, can cause these fibers to vibrate or self-assemble faster. The Detox, earthing, grounding, standing barefoot on the actual earth, not a mat to discharge the static that these fibers thrive on. These fibers are smart. They react to the airwaves. We're going dark today to see how the body reacts when the signals are cut off. The internal sorbents, the food defense. If you are forced to eat the food your family eats, you need a chemical shield for your digestive tract. The fact, activated charcoal and bentonite clay are sorbents that bind to synthetic particulates. The Detox, taking a food-grade sorbent 2 hours away from meals or medication to catch the black fibers filmed in our foods before they cross from your gut into your bloodstream. I know what's in the food. You've seen my footage. Today, I'm showing you how to catch the particulates before they catch you.